Have you ever considered the journey of faith? We often encounter two beautiful concepts, Hidayah and Tawfeeq. While related, they represent distinct steps on our spiritual path. First, let's explore Hidayah. This is guidance, the act of showing the way and providing knowledge. Think of it as being handed a map, like the Quran, or having a wise person point you in the right direction. This guidance can come from Allah through revelation or from fellow humans, like scholars and teachers who illuminate the path for us. Next, we have Tawfeeq. This is a special form of divine enablement. It's the internal ability Allah grants us to actually accept the guidance and act upon it. Imagine an inner light igniting in your heart, giving you the strength and will to walk the path shown by Hidayah. This is a gift exclusively from Allah. So what's the difference? Hidayah is the map, while Tawfeeq is the ability to start walking. Hidayah can come from Allah and humans, but Tawfeeq comes only from Allah. Hidayah is about understanding the way, whereas Tawfeeq is about having the steadfastness to follow it. Ultimately, we need both. When we receive Hidayah and are blessed with Tawfeeq, we can walk the path with confidence and clarity. Hidayah is the light, and Tawfeeq is the ability to walk in it.